Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can kick someone from Messenger group. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Messenger, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the bottom, you're gonna find all of the sections. You're gonna find chats, people, and right here you're gonna find stories. So right now, I'm gonna go back to chats. Then right here in this chats section, you're gonna find all of your conversations. So as you can see, guys, if you find your group right here, just go ahead and click on it. In my case, I don't have any group, so I'm going to create a new group. So if you want to create a new group chat, just go ahead and click on the pin icon in the top right corner. And then right here, you're gonna find the option to create a group chat or a community. So right now, I'm gonna click on group chat. And then once you do that, you can add anyone that you want. So right now I'm going to choose two members. For example, these two. You can at least you need to choose two people. Right here, you can choose also the group name. So for example, I'm gonna name it tutorial like this. And then I'm gonna click on create. Once you click on create, as you can see guys, the group will be created. You can add other members, you can rename it, and here you can access your members. So basically guys, right here in the top right corner, you're gonna find this icon, go ahead and click on it. Then go ahead and scroll a little bit down. Here you're gonna find chat info, click on see members, and then right here you're gonna find the members. Go ahead and click on the member you want to remove. And then you're gonna find the option to remove them from the group chat. Just click on remove from the group chat. And this is how you can easily kick someone from your group. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.